Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a shop sold 250 cupcakes last week. That's the original number, and it increased by 16% this week. How many cupcakes were sold? Okay, so this one, since we are talking about the increase, we need to find the increase, right? 16%. So let's find the increase then. So the increase, in this case, 16% of 250, that will be 40 cupcakes. So how many cupcakes were sold this week? Yeah, we just need to add them up. Originally 250, now I increased by 40. 290 cupcakes. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.